In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom sectoral index on TradingView, a versatile platform with multiple tools and community scripts at your disposal. Whether you're a coding enthusiast or someone looking to explore existing options, there are convenient ways to develop your own specialized indices. So let's dive into the process, beginning with utilizing TradingView's built-in tools and existing scripts. First, navigate to TradingView's search symbol bar or indicators and strategies section to explore existing sectoral tools. You'll want to start your search with terms such as sector performance, sector relative strength, or portfolio index generator. These are preset options crafted by the vibrant TradingView community to assess various market segments, making your task a little easier. Once you've identified an appropriate custom index tool, apply the indicator directly to your chart. This can be done just like adding any other indicator on TradingView. Now comes a crucial step, customizing the indicator settings. Most of these scripts will allow you to add specific symbols or ETFs that represent the sectors you want to track. You can assign custom weights to each of these symbols and tweak the calculation approach, opting for standard methods like moving averages or RSI. This customization ensures the index aligns with your specific requirements and market strategy. If you're inclined towards a more hands-on approach, let's explore how to create a custom sectoral index using PineScript. Start by opening the Pine editor, TradingView's script editor, which offers you a blank canvas for scripting. Here's where you define the symbols and weights using the fsecurity function. This function is pivotal as it pulls in data for individual stocks or sector ETFs you wish to include in your index. Following this, you'll need to craft your index formula. Think of it as weaving together the ingredients of your custom index using expressions such as symbol A, weight A, plus symbol B, weight B. It can be tailored with as many symbols as necessary, provided they are balanced with the corresponding weights. Once you've written your formula within the script, input it to generate your custom index, and next pay attention to the presentation. Adjust the scale and settings on your chart to enhance comparison and visualization. This ensures that your custom index is not only functional, but also visually comprehensible. When engaging in this process, there are a few key considerations to keep in mind. For one, using existing sector ETFs like the S&P 500 sector ETFs, examples being XLE for energy or XLF for financials, can simplify your implementation. Also, remember the fsecurity function has a limit on how many symbols you can include, so be strategic in your choices. Finally, keep in mind that some indicators may repaint data, meaning past values might change, which is crucial to consider for accurate analysis. With these steps, you've not only equipped yourself with valuable market insights, but also honed your ability to analyze sectors effectively. Embrace the flexibility TradingView offers and create indices that resonate with your trading strategies.